All right, second video. 2009 Traverse. Just got it, doing numerous repairs. Wanted to change the filters in it, one being the cabin filter. So normally you would go to your glove box. This particular one has two retainers that you're going to turn counterclockwise and then wiggle them out there. One on the other side. Same thing, just twist it. Might have to push up on the door a little bit to relieve some tension. And that guy will come out. And then lastly, right here, that little retainer is for that gear drive to lower the door slow. And as you can see, there's a little extra hole there. You can unclip it from that. And everything comes out. Normally it will be attached to these holes and clip here on your glove box. If this guy comes out, don't worry about it. It'll go right back in its home. No problem. Just slide her in there. So I started this repair because this piece was in here already. I've cut it out when I do a video. There's no access door. This 2009 Traverse does not come equipped with a cabin air filter. So what you need to do is follow the inside of this raised ridge area. And like I did on this side, go ahead and cut it out all along that ridge. You can see how it kind of curves around. This center section's a little thicker, so you may want to take a little hacksaw to that. Otherwise, I've been using this utility knife to cut along it. Pretty easy with the utility knife if you got a good blade, which mine seems to be dulling. So I'm going to pause this. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to score along the edge here, this edge, and up top. Then I'm probably going to go ahead and take a hacksaw blade, cut out that center section, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We got that hole opening cut out now. Used a hacksaw, cut through that center section. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. And you want to make sure that when you're cutting that center section out, be careful it doesn't fall back, because inside the back there's your fan motor. It might be a little difficult to get it out of there. So don't drop any pieces back in there. Then what you're going to need to order is a cabin filter holder. That's part number. Get it to focus here. There we go, 20968419. It's a GM part, and it looks like this. Just a plastic tray, and it's going to have the cover on the front. Left mine a little tight, just because I like it snug. You can file it down if you want. Test fit it. There's a couple little ramps that I'll slide up into. There we go. So it slides right up into that cover you cut out. Next, you're going to need is a cabin air filter. This one is a carbon activated one. I think it was about $10 on Amazon. That's a part number that I used, 11663C. Has carbon impregnated on one side to help for smells. Going to have directions for airflow with the arrow pointing down. And you'll want to have that pointing down because that's the direction of the airflow. So stick this in your tray. As such. Close her up all the way. Like so. And now you can change your cabin air filter, breathe healthier, keep the leaves out of your blower motor, and be just like the Joneses. To install the glove box, just in reverse order, gonna attach these hinges on here first. There's 4 of them. Clip those into position, and then we're going to put our side pins on and our rail piece. Alright, if you have any questions, ask below. Otherwise, if the video helped you, go ahead and like it, and we'll wait for the next one. Thanks.